Welcome to today's episode where we explore why teaming up with Alpine Property Management is a game-changer for real estate investors in Kansas City. If you're thinking about diving into property investment or looking to enhance your existing portfolio, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how Alpine's expertise, services, and strategies can transform your real estate investments from good to great. First things first, understanding the local market is crucial for any successful real estate investment. Kansas City, with its eclectic mix of neighborhoods, growing economy, and diverse cultural landscape, offers a unique opportunity for property investors. But navigating this complexity requires more than just surface-level knowledge. This is where Alpine Property Management steps in. Our deep understanding of the local market dynamics, regulatory environment, and economic trends equips us to provide invaluable insights that can significantly impact the profitability of your investments. One of the standout benefits of partnering with Alpine is our comprehensive approach to property management. We don't just manage properties, we optimize them. From tenant placement and retention strategies to maintenance and renovations, every aspect is handled meticulously. This approach not only maximizes the income potential of your properties but also enhances their long-term value, ensuring you see a return on investment that meets or exceeds your expectations. Effective communication is another cornerstone of our service. At Alpine, we believe in keeping our investors in the loop at every stage of the management process. Our transparent operations ensure that you have full visibility into your property's performance. This includes detailed financial reporting, real-time updates on occupancy rates, maintenance issues, and any challenges that arise. Our proactive communication style ensures that you are always informed and in control of your investment decisions. Moreover, risk management is an integral part of our strategy. Investing in real estate involves various risks, from fluctuating market conditions to unexpected maintenance issues. Alpine mitigates these risks through meticulous planning, strategic foresight, and robust contingency measures. Our expertise allows us to anticipate potential problems and address them before they impact your bottom line. Now, let's talk about a specific service that sets us apart: our We Buy Houses program. For investors looking to sell their properties in Kansas City, Alpine offers a direct buying service that simplifies the process. Whether you're looking to reinvest in new opportunities or need to liquidate assets quickly, we provide a fair, fast, and reliable service. We buy houses in any condition, handle all the paperwork, and close at your convenience, allowing you to focus on your next investment venture without delay. In addition to these benefits, partnering with Alpine means gaining access to a network of top-tier professionals, from real estate agents and legal experts to contractors and architects. This network can be invaluable, whether you're renovating a property, navigating legal hurdles, or expanding your investment portfolio. Our established relationships ensure that you receive quality services at competitive prices, further enhancing the profitability of your investments. Beyond just managing your property, Alpine is dedicated to maximizing its appeal and functionality. This involves strategic renovations and upgrades, which are carefully selected based on market demand and return on investment. For instance, updating an outdated kitchen or bathroom can significantly boost a property's rental and resale value. Alpine's expertise in project management ensures that all renovations are completed on time and within budget, which minimizes downtime and maximizes your property's income potential. Furthermore, an often overlooked aspect of property management is the legal compliance and regulatory adherence that is required in the real estate market. Kansas City, like any major city, has its own set of regulations that property owners must follow. Alpine Property Management stays up to date with these regulations to ensure that your property remains compliant, thus avoiding potential legal issues and fines. This includes everything from property safety codes to fair housing laws, providing you peace of mind and safeguarding your investment against legal vulnerabilities. Another significant advantage of partnering with Alpine is our tenant management system. We don't just find tenants, we find the right tenants. Through a rigorous screening process, we ensure that tenants are reliable and likely to care for your property. Our approach reduces tenant turnover rates, which is critical for maintaining a steady rental income. Additionally, we handle all aspects of tenant relations, from lease agreements and renewals to conflict resolution, ensuring that your tenants are satisfied and your properties are well maintained. Moreover, Alpine's proactive approach to market analysis is invaluable. We continuously monitor the real estate market's trends and shifts, which allows us to advise you on the best times to increase rent, make capital improvements, or expand your investment portfolio. This strategic market insight can significantly impact your investment's profitability, as timing market cycles correctly can lead to higher returns on investment. Finally, let's discuss the strategic long-term planning services that Alpine provides. Real estate investment isn't just about the here and now. It's about setting up a sustainable and profitable future. We help you develop a long-term strategy that aligns with your financial goals, whether you're looking to build generational wealth, prepare for retirement, or expand your investment portfolio across new markets. Our team works closely with you to set achievable, measurable goals and outline a clear path to success. Your partnership with Alpine Property Management offers a comprehensive array of services designed to optimize every aspect of your real estate investment journey in Kansas City. From leveraging local market insights and managing renovations to ensuring legal compliance and conducting sophisticated tenant management, Alpine covers all bases to ensure your investments are profitable, secure, and stress-free. If you're serious about making the most of your real estate investments and want a partner who brings expertise, integrity, and a proactive approach to the table, look no further than Alpine Property Management. Join us and experience firsthand how our partnership can transform your real estate portfolio. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and updates from the world of real estate investment. With Alpine Property Management, you're not just investing in properties. You're investing in a future of success and stability. Let's achieve great things together in Kansas City.